Hey everyone, today I'm going to give you guys the Remotely4u reviews. As you can see, we're on the official Reddit page and one person said that they had applied but it was like super long and it felt like total scam. Like it had very less returns, so it wasn't like worth it. And then another person, as you can see, the process seemed sketchy, and you can read this. Basically, they'll pay you like only weekly if you get more than 25 euros, but if you don't, then obviously it get transferred, things like that. So yeah, it is very sketchy, and like as you can see, I don't think it is worth it because you need to answer 2 messages each 10 minutes and you just can't write. You need to check the information, everything. So basically, just as you can see, most people are saying that you don't need to do it. And then on Glassdoor, the review is 3.3%. There's 18 total reviews. As you can see, this one person put cons as time management is one of the factors. And then as you can see, they said they deactivate your account when you're exceeding goals, so that is very bad. So yeah, if you're having a lot of time and $25 to $50 isn't like too less for you, you can go for it, but most people wouldn't recommend it, and that is also what I would say. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.